technology, there are some do's and don'ts. We should not just get carried away, especially when it comes to writing. So original thinking, you can use Gen AI for inspiration and structure, but don't let it generate your main ideas or arguments for you. That has to come from you. Verify. So whatever the outputs are, double check them and critically evaluate them. Now, just a simple example, if your friend tells you something, or there's a rumor or some gossip, you don't just accept it. You will go and try and double check and see the facts for yourself. The same thing, why should we trust Gen AI when you don't trust a human being? So always double check your facts and critically evaluate the output. Never copy paste that output directly onto your assignment. When you are using generative AI, declare and document your use. In a moment, I will show you how you can do that. But don't hide or fail to mention AI usage. Before using it, check the journal guidelines, check your university guidelines. What do they say about using AI? Don't just assume that everybody allows it. Now, when you upload anything, any data to these AI tools, very often we are not sure how that data is being used. So maybe either you should very carefully go through the terms and conditions and see whether they store the data for a few days or months, or they don't save it, or if it's not clear, any very confidential information you should not upload on these tools. Similarly, you should not upload unpublished work or other people's work on these tools, because you don't know how that work is being, how that data is being used by the AI tool. Remember to treat Gen AI as an assistant. It's not an author. It is not a human or sentient human being. You cannot list it. You cannot consider it as a co-author. When it comes to plagiarism, you can use Gen AI to brainstorm, organize, improve, paraphrase, all of that. But don't pass off generative AI text as your own. That is also a kind of plagiarism. Whatever text that it is outputting, if you copy paste that, that is a kind of plagiarism. So avoid doing that.